This is a video inspection of the 1997 Haas VFOE. Just go ahead and run it through its paces real quick. Start with a tool change. And then we're going to go ahead and start with the spindle. I'll just kick it up to 4,000 RPMs here. We've already pre-warmed it, so. Get your P-cool moving. And then we'll go ahead and do the we'll do the y-axis, and then the z-axis. There's your chip auger running. This does have the remote jog, or the jog handle, excuse me. And it does have the USB port on the side. It does have a work light that actually the light's out, and it does have the probing, so this is set up for probing. We do not have the probe head, but can be purchased. And we'll go ahead and take a walk around the back, show you the electrical cabinet. This is wired for 4th axis. This also has the 15 horsepower vector drive. And this is serial number 15391, manufactured in 07 of 98. I think it said 97 at the beginning. This is a 98. Brushless machine. There's your 4th axis port. We'll take a walk on the other side here. It's got really nice clear windows in it, actually. And machine overall appears to be in really nice shape. We can just head over here. This does have P-cool, chip auger, 4th axis ready, floppy drive, rigid tap, and it's also got the USB port. It also looks like it's set up for possibly quick code as well. I'll have to confirm that, but that's what it looks like. We do have the foot pads, the coolant pan, coolant pump, and shipping bracket. This would will all be locked down before it leaves. This concludes the video presentation of the 1998 Haas VFOE.